In this video, we are diving into an essential concept in youth work, the human rights-based approach. Whether you are a youth worker, educator, or simply passionate about human rights, understanding this approach is key to fostering inclusive and empowering spaces for young people. Let's start with the basics. What is the human rights-based approach, and why is it important in youth work context? Human rights are universal, meaning they apply to all people in all their diversity. They are based on the fundamental belief that every human being is born free and equal in dignity and rights. Everyone should have the freedom to live their lives, thrive socially and economically, and participate in public affairs without discrimination. The human rights-based approach integrates human rights principles into policies, programs, and actions, not just addressing violations, but actively embedding human rights into every stage of decision-making and implementation. According to the European Commission, the human rights-based approach follows these core working principles. All human rights for all. Every person is entitled to all human rights without exception. Meaningful and inclusive participation. Everyone, especially marginalized groups, should have a voice in decision-making. Non-discrimination and equality. No one should face discrimination based on race, gender, sexual orientation, or any other status. Accountability and the rule of law. Institutions and governments must be responsible for upholding human rights. Transparency and access to information. Clear, open communication ensures that rights holders can advocate for themselves. But the question is, why is this approach so significant? Well, human rights-based approach ensures that individuals are not seen as passive beneficiaries, but as rights holders who are empowered to know, claim, and exercise their human rights. It also strengthens the accountability of duty bearers, governments, institutions, and organizations responsible for upholding these rights. Human rights-based approach is essential in tackling global challenges like gender inequality, climate change, violations of children's rights, conflict, and migration crisis. By embedding human rights into policies and initiatives, we create fairer, more just societies. Now let's focus on human rights-based approach in youth work. Guided by human rights principles, ensures that young people are respected as rights holders and active participants in shaping their own futures. It emphasizes equality and non-discrimination for all young people, regardless of their background, gender, or socioeconomic status, should have equal access to opportunities and resources. Participation. Youth must be involved in decision-making processes that affect them and not only. Empowerment. Providing young people with knowledge, skills, attitudes, and tools to claim their rights and make informed choices. Accountability. Ensuring governments and institutions fulfill their obligations to support young people's rights. A rights-based approach in youth work is not just about providing services. It's about fostering active citizenship, social justice, and meaningful change. When young people are empowered, they become agents of change, advocating for a more just and inclusive world. So what's the takeaway? By integrating the human rights-based approach into youth work, we create spaces where young people's rights are recognized, protected, and fulfilled. Whether you are a youth worker, educator, or policymaker, embracing this approach ensures that young people are not just participants, but leaders in shaping a better future. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will explore the shift from addressing needs to promoting rights, highlighting dignity and respect. See you next time.